Hey guys, welcome to Toy Shooter. It's been a while since I've uploaded a video, so this is really just a kind of overview of what I'm going to do on the channel, what I've been doing, where it's going to go. So stick with me a minute, I'm going to tell you all about it. So, as I said, it's been a while. In the past, I've been kind of doing Photoshop tutorials, showing you behind the scenes shoots, some scale modeling. What I've been waiting for a really long time is to get really high speed internet. It's quite tricky in Australia here, but today I've literally just got high-speed internet. What that means is I can now do live video, and for me this is the big thing, because with live video, if I'm doing a photo shoot upstairs, whether it's one of my own or for Gentle Giant, I can just hit record, hit go live, and then show you what I'm doing, interact with you guys if you're posting comments, that kind of thing. Same here with scale modeling, all the work I'm going to do on these pieces, which I'll show you in a second. I can show you what I'm doing there. You guys can go, no, you're doing it wrong or whatever. And then on the computer here, any stuff I'm doing on Photoshop, I can also show you. And yeah, for me, live video is just way better than kind of recording stuff, editing it. It's going to enable me to get content out, get ideas out a lot quicker. So obviously you've seen the collection room upstairs. This is my home office. So I built all this. I've been working on this for over a year. So like I've got a desk here for the kids, like this whole workbench I made myself. This goes all the way up the wall. That's Prince's guitar. There's a great bit of artwork by Steve Park, who did the original art for Graffiti Bridge, if you're a Prince fan, but appreciate I'm getting off topic. And then finally, this is my desk setup. So I'm working from home at the moment because of, hashtag coronavirus. But then what I've also done is I've literally built a scale modeling booth into the wall. So all the scale modeling I'm going to do is going to be here. You've seen a couple of videos on, well, you might have seen a couple of videos on Instagram where I showed the setup. There's my mic. For YouTube, got the mixing desk there. And then, yeah, in here, we've got all the paints. And then up here, literally just this weekend, I've put this in. So all the shelving I built at the weekend. It's got good lighting in for video and doing the artwork. And then I've got all these Bandai kits, some of which are kind of started, some of which are a work in progress. Others are still in pieces. A few more down here. So we're going to work through all these. Get them in the booth here. Got the little Atsta there, Yoda, Slave 1, Tantive 4, all sorts of stuff. So the main thing I need is subscribers, because I've got about 450 or so on the channel at the moment, which is obviously not many. I need to get 1,000. So with 1,000 subscribers, I can do live streaming off the video. So if you're watching this and you can subscribe, that'd be a real help. So yeah, that's all for now. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.